Hi, this is Matt with Silver Comet Software. I'm here to tell you about Zephyr, a great new application for your Android smartphone. Zephyr enables you to send pictures and video from your phone automatically by email. Zephyr is great for events such as parties, weddings, sporting events, trade shows or conventions, or any time that you want to send a series of pictures or video to family, friends, or coworkers. Just configure Zephyr with the email addresses of your recipients and start shooting. Zephyr handles everything else in the background so that you don't miss any of the action. I keep Zephyr running on my phone all the time, even when I'm not sharing with anyone, because it always sends me a copy of each picture or video that I shoot. That's a great backup in the event that my phone is lost or stolen or my memory card malfunctions. So I'm going to show you how to set up and use Zephyr. Let's get started. Access the Android market from your phone and use the search bar to search for Zephyr. There are 3 applications that you'll find, the first being the base application that provides a 5-day trial, plus 2 feature keys that enable you to purchase a permanent version of the application. Follow the prompts to download and install the application, and then find the Zephyr icon in your applications list. Touch the icon to open it up, and this is the introduction and end-user license agreement. If you agree, click I agree. Next, you'll be taken to the main account setup page where you can type in your full name or name as you wish it to appear in the emails that Zephyr will send on your behalf. In this case, we're using a test account. Type in the full email address, including @gmail.com. Next, type in your password for Gmail, and note that this remains secure on the phone. The folks at Silver Comet don't have any access to your password, so don't worry about that. And then the remainder of these settings need to stay at default. Just choose Save. Zephyr will test your email settings, and once successful, will take you to the main sharing page. And sharing mode will start immediately, and you'll notice that the notifications bar now has a Zephyr sharing running icon. If you see that, in the future you are sharing. You can toggle sharing on and off by touching the button on the left. There is an event field that you can use to name the event. That'll appear in the emails that are sent with your media. That helps to sort of set the context for your recipients. And then there are 5 email address fields that you can use simultaneously. Save your settings. You can also optionally send yourself a copy of the desktop application that accompanies Zephyr. Now we're ready to shoot pictures. I'm here at the local wing of the Commemorative Air Force to find some great content to shoot for our demonstration video. You can imagine being at an air show and deciding that this would be a great chance to share an experience with your friend John, who loves airplanes. So as you recall, we set up John in Zephyr. You can see from the main screen that we are in the sharing mode, and John's email has been entered. So all we have to do now is activate our camera. We'll do that with the hardware button on the side. And we'll take a picture of some great nose art on this C-45. One picture there, and you can see the wings folded up on a Corsair up on the hill. We'll take a picture of that great old plane. And over here we've got an AT-6 that was converted to look like a Japanese Zero for use in television shows like Baba Black Sheep and movies like Tora Tora Tora. We'll take a picture of that. And so 3 pictures are on the way to John. We'll see how long it takes to send these 3 pictures on a 3G network. Depending on your network conditions, well, looks like the first picture has been sent. No, 2 emails have been sent. So the first 2 have already gone with only about a minute elapsed. So that's pretty fast. So, well, that 3rd email is on the way. Let's head back to the computer to see what John has received. This is our test email account. You'll see that the 3 pictures we sent to John Smith have arrived. And we've also added the location. We do that through the Preferences page in the Zephyr interface, as well as making sure that our phone is set to use GPS satellites and our camera is set to encode the location in the picture. You can turn that off on the Preferences page as well. We're glad you took the time to learn about Zephyr. Remember, because Zephyr uses email, it's a secure, reliable way to share your pictures and video from your phone. We hope that you'll check back for a new video on how to set up and use Zephyr Desktop, a great PC-based companion application for Zephyr. Thanks again.